Okay. Today is Friday, the 25th of June, 2021. This pan here, I was trying to get them cleaned up, and anyway, I messed up and left them outside. I put them here in my barbecue grill and heated them up and kind of started cleaning them up, and because I had not been using them, and they had got up underneath the sink, and anyway, they drawed moisture and all that kind of stuff like that. Well, this one, somebody told me to put Coke in there. So I got a Coke Zero, my wife drinks, and I put it in this one. Somebody else told me to use vinegar. So here, I put vinegar in there. Okay? Let's just going to see which one does the best of taking the rust out of there and cleaning them up. As you see, this one here, you see the bubbles in that one there working. I mean, it's working hard. So I'm thinking maybe this one's going to work. This is gonna do better than the vinegar, but we'll see. We're gonna do it for 3 days. On Monday, we'll come back out here and let's see. We'll do it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday morning I'll come out and we'll look at them and see what happens.